In this video, you'll learn how to improve your expected CTR or click-through rate on Google Ads using a simple and practical process. Whether you're managing a small campaign or running ads for a larger company, boosting your CTR helps your ads get more clicks, reach more potential customers, and lower your costs over time. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu. This will show you all your active campaigns and how they're performing. Choose the campaign you'd like to optimize and then click on the Ads section to view all the ads running under it. Now, click on Create Ad and select the option for a responsive search ad. This type of ad is highly effective because it allows you to enter multiple headlines and descriptions. Google automatically tests different combinations to find the ones that perform best, which helps increase your CTR over time. When writing your headlines, focus on what grabs attention. Include your main keyword in at least one headline to make your ad more relevant to what people are searching for. Keep headlines clear and benefit-driven. For example, highlight offers, solutions, or unique advantages. Use numbers, specific results, or time-sensitive words like today or instantly to make your ad stand out. Next, move on to your descriptions. Here, you can expand on what your business offers and explain why users should click. Add a strong call to action such as get a free quote, shop now, or book your appointment, including unique selling points like free delivery, 24/7 support, or money back guarantee can also encourage more engagement. Don't forget to add ad extensions. These allow you to include extra information such as site links, callouts, or structured snippets, which make your ad more visible and relevant. The more useful your ad appears, the more likely people are to click on it. Another key point is alignment. Make sure your ad copy, keywords, and landing page all match the same intent. If someone searches for a specific product or service, they should see that exact offer in your ad and again when they land on your page. Consistency builds trust and helps improve both CTR and conversion rates. After publishing your responsive ad, monitor its performance. Look at which headlines and descriptions perform best in the asset report, then keep the strong ones and replace weaker ones with new variations. Over time, testing and refining will significantly improve your CTR and overall ad performance. Improving expected CTR is all about relevance, clarity, and consistency. By writing strong headlines, adding meaningful descriptions, using ad extensions, and continuously testing, you'll attract more of the right clicks and get better results from your Google Ads. Keep optimizing, stay consistent, and you'll see your campaigns perform better with every adjustment.